Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Play Store. Then you need to click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. Then select floating window, and as you can see now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to make it even smaller, you can click on this line over here, hold it, and drag it to this icon on the right. Now it's in this little window that you can move around. You can also use this app overlay other apps. If you wish to go back, you can click on this button with 3 lines and just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!